Let me show you how to set up Instagram privacy settings. Whether you're trying to make your account private or trying to limit your interactions with the public, let me show you a few settings that you can manage inside of Instagram. Once you open up the application, you want to head over to your profile section on the bottom right and then head over to the three lines on the top right. From this section, if you scroll down, the first option you can manage is the account privacy. By default, it would be on public, but if you toggle this option on, your entire account will be made private, meaning only the people that follow you would be able to view your account. So if you want that, make sure that it is toggled on. If not, make sure you leave it untoggled. Other than the private account option, if you scroll down, you have a few other options such as limiting interactions. If you head over to this section right here, it says limit interactions people who are bothering you. So these are the few options you will enable. Once you turn this option on, your followers will be limited and it will be turned on for 1 week. So if you want this, you can just turn this option on and your post views and your interaction in posts or in messages will be limited. If you want, you can also limit how people can message or tag you by heading over to these options where you can restrict people from messaging you that do not follow you. So whatever you're trying to manage inside of Instagram, you would be able to find exactly that in this section. And you also have the option called block if you're trying to block someone as well. There's a new feature on Instagram as well where the map is enabled. If you head over to the story or location section and head over to location sharing, this is the location option right now. So if you want, you can just make sure that no one is selected so that your location is not shared inside of the Instagram map. So this is the way that you set up the Instagram privacy settings. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. Also make sure to give this video a thumbs up.